Welcome to this comprehensive guide on network security. In today's digital world, it's more important than ever to protect our devices and personal information from malicious attacks. From cyber criminals to hackers, there are many individuals who aim to steal sensitive information or cause harm to our networks. To protect ourselves, we can utilize various security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption technologies. In this video, we will explore the basics of network security and understand how we can secure our networks and devices. First, let's start by understanding what a network is. Simply put, a network is a group of devices connected together to share information and resources. In a network, data flows between devices, and it's important that we keep that data secure. Firewalls are the first line of defense in network security. They act as a barrier between the internal network and the internet, and control the flow of incoming and outgoing traffic based on predefined rules. Antivirus software is another essential tool in network security. It helps protect against malware and other malicious software that could cause harm to our devices. Encryption is the process of converting sensitive information into a code to prevent unauthorized access. This means that even if someone gains access to the data, they won't be able to read it without the encryption key. Access controls determine who is allowed to access specific resources within the network. This helps to keep sensitive information secure by granting access only to authorized users. There are several best practices to follow when it comes to network security. These include regularly updating software and hardware, using strong passwords, and being vigilant of suspicious emails and website links. By understanding the basics and utilizing various security measures, we can better protect our networks and personal information from potential threats. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on computer security and technology. See you next time.